to Chicago. 10 out of 10 would recommend it. It is currently 5:30. Time to get ready.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Good morning. Today is Monday. It is now 12 past 6 in the morning, so we got up at 5:30 and I've gotten ready, finished off my packing as you probably saw, and then now we're off to go check out, and then we're off to LaGuardia Airport. We're off to LaGuardia Airport to catch a plane to Chicago. Also, I have this new jumper on from one of my purchases yesterday, but it's very soft and very comfy and I like it. Off to the airport. Goodbye Times Square and goodbye to the hotel. Let's go. We have made it to the American Airlines lounge and I've just had some breakfast, and then I'm gonna edit for a little bit, and then our flight's in like an hour and a half or so. So we just found out that our flight's like cancelled and we need to go to a different flight. We're on reserve for an 8:30 flight, so now we're just figuring out what we're doing. Okay, now we're waiting to see if we'll make it on this plane. We might not, we're first and second for standby though, so let's see. We made it! We have made it to Chicago and we're off the plane, but the real question now is, did my bag make it? Dad and I are thinking no, but we shall see. That was a solid no on the bag, but it'll be coming later today on one of the other flights, and then it'll get delivered to the hotel. But that's okay. Alrighty, so it's been a little bit now. It's almost 12 o'clock and I've been a bad vlog this morning, mainly just because it was very, very intense and speedy, and I don't really know what happened this morning. But little brief update is, where are we going? Little brief update was we were planning to catch the 9:30 AM flight to Chicago, but then our flight got changed, or got delayed to 3 PM, but then we ended up getting on the 8:30. So we made it to Chicago, checked in, and now we're on our way to a boat tour because it's gonna rain tomorrow, so we wanted it today. So that's what's happened, but we're on our way there now.
That theater today is our House of Blues here in Chicago. Now look back at those iconic buildings. It's going to be a 90-story office building called the Salesforce Building. And then in the distance is Wolf Point West. That's a 46-story rental residential building. The earliest settlers laid down their roots here in Chicago. So there were taverns and cabins and stores on this muddy plot of land. It will become Chicago's third tallest building. On the 83rd floor, if you look up, they had to actually take the penthouse out to allow for a blow-through so that wind could blow through the building, so people living in that tower won't get motion sickness. Thank you so much. You're very generous.
Thank
Bye-bye,
you.
guys. Take care.
Architecture boat tour was a success. 10 out of 10 would recommend it. I took lots and lots of photos and learned lots about all the buildings in Chicago. And we're just taking a quick stop in Apple Store. The actual Apple Store itself is down there. And it's on the river. And that building there is our hotel. Also, side note, look how blue the river is. Like, compared to the Brisbane River, it's crazy. It's so nice and blue. We have made it back to the hotel now, and I think we're just going to chill for a little bit, considering we've kind of just been going all day. But then I'm not sure what we're going to do next, so I'll update you when I know. And we're off. Also, so that over there doesn't look like a whole lot, but it actually is an Apple store. And on the boat tour we learnt like this roof is actually designed to look like a massive iPad on top, which is kind of interesting. Dad's just stopped for a little coffee break. First question, what is that? Second question, what is that? And this is it. It's pretty much just reflecting the city, which is actually kind of cool. And then we reckon this is like a stadium or something like that. So apparently it's called the Cloud Gate, is that big shiny thing. Then we've got the pavilion. And then I think we're gonna go along this BP bridge right now. And this is the overall park. So in New York we learnt that these signs mean they're filming a movie in this location, which is pretty cool. And I can't figure out what movie it's for though. I don't think it says. Some of them do say, some of them don't, but pretty cool anyway. To Nando's! Oh, this way. Dinner time. We have just made it back to the hotel for the night. It's 5:25 now, so it's not late at all. But we've been going go for so many days, and I just need to like relax because I am so dead, so tired. You know, we were up at 5:30 this morning, so very tired. Also, update on the bag situation is it should be on the airplane at the moment coming to Chicago, and then hopefully it gets delivered to the hotel sometime tonight. So still without a bag, but it should at least be here by tomorrow morning at least, so that's okay. So it's 10 to 10 and I'm just waiting for my bag to come because it still hasn't come, and I'm hoping it'll come tonight. Otherwise I have nothing for tomorrow, but that is the report. And the bag has made it. Good night.